Study shows severe drought may be behind Mideast crisis. Much of the Middle East is in turmoil as the relentless civil war in Syria rages on and millions of Syrians continue to flee their country. Many others from North Africa and the Middle East are also seeking refuge from the conflict and instability in their own homelands. A recent study published in the Journal of Geophysical Research has attributed the conflict, at least in part, to a series of droughts caused by man-made climate change. The current mega-drought in the Levant region, which includes Cyprus, Israel, Jordan, Lebanon, Syria, and Turkey, began in 1998. To map out droughts over time, researchers examined tree rings from both live and dead trees. The scientists studied tree samples from countries bordering the Mediterranean. Tree rings are like an ecological footprint. Thin rings mean a tree lived through a period of drought. The thinner the ring, the longer the drought. From the data gathered, scientists were able to form an idea of drought patterns in the region in recent years compared to historical records. In their study, they discovered that the current drought in the Levant is 10 to 20% drier than the worst drought of the past 900 years. The drought has contributed to food insecurities and poverty in the region and led to a mass exodus of refugees out of the Middle East and into Europe. The cause of the drought is likely anthropogenic, as scientists discovered anomalies in the current tree ring data well outside the bounds of natural variation. Human conflict and environmental problems are often intertwined. Studies have shown that before the start of the Syrian uprising in 2011, the country had experienced one of the most severe droughts in recorded history.
See a story that really should be animated? Suggest stories to Tomo News now.